Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all the complete procedure of making your own garden shed. Also, we'll be sharing few items which I bought from Cherryz online shopping. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. We bought this garden shed from Argos. The size is 8 by 6 and the company name is Keter. So we thought of having it on the concrete base. So to make the concrete base, we hired few people. Now there is certain procedure involved in making this concrete base. Initially they'll get some wooden frame of the same size. Once they take the measurements, they'll try to dig the mud underneath it. And then they fix the wooden stand and fill it with the layers of sand and gravel and later with the concrete. And then leave it for a couple of days. So this is the ready-made concrete mix which they bought it from the store, and they're gonna fill it up on the top of it. And once it's leveled, then we have to leave it for a couple of days. Now finally the concrete base is ready. It was indeed a good work done by them. Now for the fixing of the garden shed, that is the assembling of garden shed, we hired a different person. His name is Darren, and they are experts in fixing all types of garden sheds. I'll be sharing his details in the description box. In case you need him, do contact them. Now assembling these type of garden sheds is much similar to the products which we normally buy in IKEA and all. So initially they set up the base and later they fixed everything around it. And in very less amount of time they actually completed this entire garden shed. Finally, a beautiful garden shed is ready now. Thanks to Darren and team. Now here I would like to share with you all the Cherryz online shopping app. If you're living in UK, you can use this Cherryz online shopping app. This is much similar to the other shopping apps wherein you normally log in and do your household shopping. And on your first purchase, you can use my code, that is Rita20, and get a 20% of discount on everything you buy. Now these are some of the items which I bought, which includes the stainless steel bowl, which acts like a drainer. You can wash fruits and vegetables and the water drains off. A garden fork, room fresheners, Oral-B toothbrush, Nivea small packs of cream, hand washing liquid, Fairy washing liquid, some plastic pots, and Joe's wanted to buy a pack of water bottles as well. So all this they packed very well and sent. So do try Cherryz online shopping, and don't forget to use Rita20 code on your first purchase. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.